Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this subscription, I will leave the link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things, but not the entire box, alright? So let's see what it's going to be. And again, in case you're new to this cord here is waxed cotton cord, and you can use this to make jewelry, so do not throw it away, reuse it. And then this here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put the pieces together in this box. And if you missed last month's subscription, I'll put a picture up now. That was really epic. It was so beautiful. Okay, so what's it gonna be this time? We have these here. I think they're 8mm. It's kind of like a what's it called? Oh, they're really cool and clear. Is it a ripple? Yeah, Czech ripple. But this is, Czech ripples I think are 12mm. This is 8. Also, Czech ripples are very narrow and thin on the edges, and this is thick. But you see how it's rippled, right? Yeah. So I love that. This looks really awesome in aqua blue color. It's really neat. And then we have pinch beads, and this color is called aluminum. I didn't get them all out, but I just wanted you to see them, what they look like. Okay. And then 2 jump rings. They're really small. Maybe 4mm. And then, oh my gosh. We have, I think this is a suede cord. This is a gorgeous color. I have in my stash, it's either leather or suede, or is it the same thing? I don't know. Mine has a fuzziness to it. This is such a beautiful pink. Oh my gosh, it's long. Hey, earlier this year we did a necklace project that had Czech flowers on it. I think that had a cord like this in it. I can't remember, but I'll put a picture up so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm putting that back in. That is such a pretty color. Alrighty, and it looks like there's a ton of bags in here. Jump rings. They look like they're 8mm. And 2 ball head pins. These are rings. I think there's 2, but they appear to be stacked. So let's see if there is 2 for sure. Yes, there's 2. Okay. It says love on it. Those are cool. Oh, they're double-sided. Even better. Okay. And then Czech flower beads. I think these are 9mm. I've never seen them in this color. It's clear with a silver wash. They are pretty cool. Okay. And then, oh, this charm. I think that I have this charm. Maybe something looks like this. I want to say I have this on a bracelet. It's cute. It's double-sided, but it's a different side. So see, it has that cute little pattern there. And then there's a design on that side. So I like that. And then 3mm Czech. No, they're not Czech. They're yes, they are Czech. They're not. I was gonna say fire polish. They are Czech Druks. They're not fire polish. They're round, and I think it's just Labrador color, which means silver. Yeah, so you can pretty much see what they look like inside the bag. And then, oh my gosh, these are pretty. Alright, we're going to take these out, because these ain't, you know, silver or gold. There's something different that I ain't never seen before. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's crystal, meaning clear, AB on it, but it's like a, it's like a brown color to it. I don't know what I would call it, but it's very gorgeous. So last month when I got the Czech Beads exclusive box, I got beads kind of like this in the box, but I want to say they were gray. This is kind of like a brown color. It was clear with gray and AB on it, and I used them to make necklaces. I made three projects, yes, with last month's box. I'll put a picture up now. If you didn't see that tutorial, you can go and watch it. You just put the title in and you'll see it. It's also recent, so you'll see it on my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh! Oh, I thought they were the same, but they're a little bit lighter. So see? Darker, lighter. I like both of them. This one's more beige looking. They're really pretty. I think you can actually see it better in the bag than on my skin. Yeah. Those are awesome. Okay. And then, oh my gosh. So this is clear. And I want to say gray, but these aren't the same as what I got last time. Ready? So, next, oh my gosh. We have Hawaiian flowers, and I think they're white luster. Yeah. That's cool. I've never seen them in that color. So we have 6 flower beads so far. This is a pretty color combo. Look at these colors. There's still a bunch of bags left. We have wire guards. And you know what? I think there's 6 in there. Oh my gosh, these are 2mm Druks. I don't even know if I have this size in my stash. Maybe I do, but it would probably be like one color and it'd be really hard to find. Look how teeny, they're so tiny. I don't want to open them. They're really small. It actually looks like the size of a Tenno seed bead to me. It is super tiny. Okay, that's cool. And then these are 3. Yeah, this is opalite color. These are 3mm and these are 2. I think they're 2. Look at the size difference. So I will go on to, I'll take the code off of the back of this. I'll go onto the site, figure out what size they are, and I will list, remember, all of this stuff here down below in the description bar. I'm going to take these out because it is very hard to see in the bag. This color because of the label. I am scared to lose them though. Those are cool. Okay. And then, oh my gosh, these are really big pinch beads. Yeah, so this is the regular size. Isn't this 5mm? These are big. I like the big size too. Oh, they're so awesome in this size. I think I like this size more. Those are cool. Look at how cool they look. Okay. This looks really neat so far. We have bead stringing wire. And then extender chain. This is a curb chain. It's a very large open link style of chain, so you can attach a clasp onto it. I have 2 of them here. Maybe 2 inches long. Yeah. See? Okay, so that would probably be bracelet and necklace. I haven't got a clasp yet, have I? Oh my gosh. These are cool. They look like sea glass. It's a bunch of them. Those are neat. Oh, there's mint green. There's a darker green, blue, pale blue, pink, purple. Oh, there's 3 of those. Okay. That's neat. Oh, this looks great together. The cord with those beads. And then we have, these are cord crimps, and I swear this is stainless steel because it's dark silver. Yeah, I think those are stainless, man. That's awesome. Tell you, one really good thing to have in stainless steel is stainless steel crimp tubes or crimp beads, or stainless steel lobster claw clasp, jump rings, or split rings. Because if you have those findings in your stash, you make jewelry with those in one piece of jewelry, a necklace, bracelet, you can actually wear that piece of jewelry all the time, even in water, you know, at the beach and stuff. But you would also have to think about your beads. If your beads would fade, you want to make sure you have solid colored glass beads. Even gemstones fade in the sun. That's something I didn't know for a really long time until I got this beautiful Light pendant one time, and I wore it in the swimming pool a few times, and I realized it was getting lighter in color, and I looked it up, and sure enough, gemstones fade in the sun. So you would want like a glass bead that's not painted. It has to be solid color. Druks are awesome. Or you could do like Chinese, what's it called? Crystal beads? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I've got this heart before. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to remember what color I have it in. I love this color so much. It's amazing. The bead's actually white. It has AB on both sides, and then it has a metallic pink wash. Oh, it looks great with my nails. It's very pretty. So maybe that'll be our pendant. And then, oh, a little charm. Now, Czech Beads exclusive, also known as Craftica, they still call this the Czech Beads exclusive box, so they have stainless steel findings on their website. That's cute. So, I've gotten like earrings from them, stainless steel chain, a stainless steel toggle clasp, so you can look up stainless steel findings on their site. And we have crimp beads. These are really nice crimp beads. Holy cow. Look at how perfect these crimp beads are. I have some ugly crimp beads in my stash. They're pretty old. And they're so thin-walled. So sometimes when I have like really thin-walled crimp beads, I will not use a crimping tool. I would just flatten them. And also using 2 of them helps, and putting a crimp cover over it. These are really nice. Look how perfect they are. They actually look like metal seed beads. Perfect shape. They don't have thick walls, but they look so good. They would actually be awesome for stringing with, using them as beads. And there's a bunch there, so maybe we're gonna have like several multi-strand, something like that. And last is the clasp, 2 lobster claw clasp. So this might be a multi-strand piece. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this box opening. Remember, I will have a link to this box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to have individual links to materials you see here in case you would like some of these. And this here, I have to point out, this heart also comes in a primrose flower. It is so pretty. The same color comes in a primrose flower. I wonder if I could find that and list it down below. I don't know if I'll remember, but those they should be bought together because they are so pretty. So this is it. I'll put the links down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.